Are you delaying a move because you don't know where to start?
Here are 10 things to do to help you before you sell your home.
One, winter has taken its toll on the exterior of your home. Your front entry looks a little sad and neglected.
Welcome buyers with an entry that says, "Please come in. I'm even more amazing on the inside."
Make your entry visible and accessible to buyers.
Maybe a fresh coat of paint on the door?
Polish the handle and windows, hose off the screen on a screen door. Get into the crannies of the door jamb and clean out all the settled dirt from the winter.
Blow out the dead leaves and mow the lawn if it needs it.
Clean the lights and replace broken bulbs, maybe even a fresh new doormat.
If your gutters need cleaning, clear them out and make sure any exterior defects are also fixed.
Also consider running a high pressure washer for the exterior and the driveway.
These simple steps can make or break a first impression.
We hope that you've enjoyed watching this video and have learned some ways to improve your front entrance's appearance. If you would like to watch more videos on tips and tricks on how to sell your house for more, stay tuned and make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.